friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And today's video we are going to review the TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender. So this is a Wi-Fi range extender. Basically it helps to improve the range of Wi-Fi within your home, and today we are going to review this product. This is from TP-Link. So guys, let's start off with the packaging of the product. The product comes packaged in this wonderful cardboard box, and it is completely packed using a cling foil wrap here, a plastic wrap all over it, so nothing can be tampered with. So first thing first, let's go ahead and open it so that we can easily read what's on the box. So let's tear the plastic wrap. Here goes the wrap, plastic wrapping. Okay, so guys, this is the box. Right on top you can see the TP-Link branding right here. It says Wi-Fi range extender N300 is the name of the model. 2x2 MIMO, which are two antennas it has. 300 Mbps is speed it provides, and 2.4 GHz is the frequency at which it works. It's compatible with any Wi-Fi router. It's not necessary that you require a TP-Link Wi-Fi router. It's compatible with any Wi-Fi router, right? Here it says it's a world #1. TP-Link is the world #1 Wi-Fi product provider for consecutive 9 years. Then talking about features, it's a Wi-Fi dead zone killer. Basically, we all have faced Wi-Fi dead zones in our homes where we are not able to get the Wi-Fi signal. This is what you need for that. It's a Wi-Fi dead zone killer. Basically, you use it to improve the Wi-Fi coverage in your home. It has an access point mode as well. It's easy to set up via the Tether app, which is an app of TP-Link. So that's the features of it. Going on the other side, here it says again the branding TP-Link. What are the package contents? Are a range extender and a quick installation guide is given. Now, what are the benefits of it? Easy setup and management. Easy setup and management via WPS button, Tether app, web UI. Access control: allow or restrict internet access for certain devices for specifiable amounts of time. So you can actually control access, right, for your kids and stuff. Along with this, you can do that. Like basically, you can set a access control. Like say for your child laptop, you don't want them to access the internet during certain times, and only like during study times or school time you want them to access the laptop's Wi-Fi. Then you set it up through the access control. It has multi-language support. Use a familiar language to easily manage the extender. LED control easily turns on or off the LEDs to your needs. No blinking light disturbing your sleep. Power scheduling: schedule the power on or off to your needs to save power. Coverage control: set a Wi-Fi coverage area of your extender. So it also helps you to set a coverage. How much coverage do you want from this? That is something amazing I found. Moving behind, I've shown an example of how a Wi-Fi extender works. Basically, this is your router, this is the range it provides, this is the Wi-Fi extender here, and it gives you extended range in the other two rooms as well. Other features of this is basically it's a 300 Mbps Wi-Fi range extender. It provides speeds up to 300 Mbps. It has a compact wall plug design, so it easily goes into the plug. External antennas, which provide stronger connection and greater Wi-Fi coverage. Secure one-touch connection, that is WPS. Instant connect the extender to a router without further configuration. Smart signal indicator: see signal strength to find the best spot to extend Wi-Fi. Ethernet port connects a wired device to your Wi-Fi network. So that's all the information available here. Yeah, let's talk about the price of the product. It's a price given here. box. MRP is not given here. So it also comes with a 3 years extended warranty. Basically, it has 3 years of warranty as well. And the MRP are the same as 3,599 rupees is the MRP. But this product is available on Amazon at 1699. So you can purchase it from Amazon. So now let's go ahead and unbox it and see the product. So we'll just need to open the box, right? The package. Here we go. So we have unboxed the router, and inside there's another cardboard case here, and this is the Wi-Fi extender. Pretty small. I expected it to be quite big, but pretty small and compact. Very compact design. Looks very fancy and neat. These are the antennas which go up like this. So two external antennas it has. Right here is a TP-Link branding again on it. On top it shows the signal and power LEDs are there. And then here's a WPS button which is an instant setup. And this is a wall socket which easily goes into the socket and fits in. So very nice and simple and compact it is. So let's use it and see how it works. Overall, I really like the build quality, is nice and tough. Here's the Ethernet port as well. To connect the Ethernet port, here's a reset button below which you need to use a pin to reset. And yeah, this is a wall plug which goes into the plug socket. So very compact, very nice looking thing here. So let's go ahead and quickly install it and try it out. We are going to install this right now in this plug socket here. So it's a very simple installation. You just need to plug it in and just need to start the button off here. And now if you look at it, it has two lights here. One is for the power which tells it's on, and the other one is the Wi-Fi signal. So basically now you just need to go to the Tether app of TP-Link and then scan for the device. It will find the device. Once it finds the device, you go and set it up, and then it will ask you which Wi-Fi router you want to connect it to. You go and connect it to that Wi-Fi router, enter a password for this, and it's all done. It's that simple. So I should never have Wi-Fi connectivity on the top rooms of my house because my Wi-Fi router is in the hall below, and in my bedroom on top I would never get a Wi-Fi connectivity. And after getting this installed, the TP-Link Wi-Fi extender, it gives me full coverage on the top floor as well of my house. So that is what I like about this TP-Link. It's a very simple device, very easy to use, and very good connectivity. It provides very good Wi-Fi speeds as well. So this is an amazing device. If anybody is looking to buy a Wi-Fi extender to kill the Wi-Fi dead spots in their house, then this is something that you should definitely invest in. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.